So yeah, not much going on. Gonna walk down to the halfpenny here now in a second. New Millennial Bridge. That looks interesting at night, by the way. But I don't know if it's just for Christmas. So the rings that go around it, they change into a multicolour. I think it's like how to be PC about this. The gay flag colours? Or the LBGT colours? Something, I don't know. Anyway. Sure, there was a few sessions in town, but the thing is, pubs and restaurants have to close at 8 PM now. So I'm sure people just got takeaway and then just took to the streets, but so cold though. So very, very, very cold. Probably looking at wall there. Sorry, I didn't build this wall, so there we go. Better view. So these are 5-minute videos. We're probably into the second 5-minute video here now. Just taking a leisurely stroll down the canal, not the canal, down the Liffey, River Liffey in Dublin city centre. Coming up to the Millennial Bridge here now. And we are on Wellington Quay. Or as we say, Wellington Quay. Wellington Quay. 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 I can't do the horse. Can't roll the tongue. That bridge does not sound safe at all. Now, I think everybody knows this bridge. The Halfpenny Bridge. I believe this was the first bridge built from north to south in Ireland. First pedestrian bridge. Dedicated pedestrian bridge. For some reason the date 1860 is coming to mind, but I highly doubt that. Like, I'm terrible with dates, like. I forget my birthday half the time. So, let's see. There's usually a stamp or something there. Get your comments going below. No cheating. Get your comments. When was the Halfpenny Bridge built? Come on. Get them in there. Quick. Well, you have a bit of time because I'm a slow walker today. So, to our right would be Temple Bar. Be very popular on the weekends. Unfortunately, we do have a homeless situation here in Ireland. It's very sad. And usually you find a few homeless on the bridge as well. 1816. So it wasn't too bad. I had a 6 in there. I just had it in the wrong place and a 1 before it. Like, not too bad. So who had 1816? Whoever had 1816, you won. Put your name down there, and whoever won, I'll give a shout out to on the next videos after the walk, because it'll probably be about 2 months before I can give that a shout out, because my current videos are up to February 12th, and I'm uploading 6 more before I even get to this one. Or every second day, so for Paddy's Day, I'll give you a shout out for Paddy's Day if I can on one of my videos, if I even remember. Jesus, this YouTube stuff is malarkey. recording videos today that aren't out for 2 months, and then to remember something from this video in 3 months' time. So this new bar here is new, because I said it's a new bar, and now